Italian meringue is easy to make if we have the right tools: a stand-up mixer, a small saucepan, and a thermometer. We will also need 4 egg whites, 1¼ cup of sugar, and water. The first thing we are going to do is to separate whites from yolks. It is as important to use fresh eggs as to making sure that no yolks contaminate the whites. Next, we put the whites into the mixer's bowl and set the mixer at low speed. We now fill the saucepan with sugar and pour just enough water to damp and cover. Next, we set the thermometer at 245 degrees Fahrenheit and place the saucepan on a burner at medium heat. When the syrup comes to a boil, we will pump up the mixer speed to medium-high. Finally, when the thermometer reaches the 245 degrees, the syrup is done. While the mixer is running, pour the syrup in a thin stream over the fluffed egg whites. We now set the mixer to high speed. And when we feel the bowl has cooled down and the egg whites are stiff and glossy, we switch the mixer off. And presto, the Italian meringue is done.